Most people get this wrong. They think all video conferencing platforms are the same. But the surprising truth is that Whereby offers a simple, browser-based experience with unique ease of use. Today, I'll share my experience. Whereby is a web-based video conferencing tool. Unlike Zoom or Teams, it doesn't require downloads or logins for guests. You simply create a meeting room, share the link, and participants join instantly. You won't believe what happens next. This makes it ideal for quick meetings, client calls, or interviews without tech friction. The interface is clean and intuitive. You can schedule recurring meetings, block rooms for privacy, and even integrate with Google Calendar or Trello. Video and audio quality are solid for a browser-based solution, and screen sharing works reliably. Whereby offers free and paid plans. The free plan supports up to 4 participants, which is enough for most small meetings. Paid plans expand participant limits, add branding, and provide advanced administrative features. I found the paid plan particularly useful for client-facing teams that want a professional, branded meeting room. In my experience, Whereby simplicity is its strongest feature. It's perfect for people who want hassle-free meetings without downloads, but for very large teams or enterprise-level needs, platforms like Zoom or Microsoft Teams might be better. In conclusion, Whereby excels in accessibility and ease of use, making online meetings frictionless. If simplicity and client convenience matter, it's worth trying. Subscribe for more honest reviews of productivity and collaboration tools to make your work life easier.